In this video, we're going to look at how to graph the cotangent function using the concept of phase shift and period. The first thing that I want to do is write my function in standard form, meaning I need to factor the 3 out of the argument to get 3 times. This needs to be x minus, and to factor 3 out of pi over 2, I'll simply divide it by 3 to get pi over 6. Once I have this, I can compare this to my standard form. A times the cotangent of b quantity x minus h. And that will show me that h must be pi over 6. That's going to be my phase shift. The value of b is 3, and that tells me my period. The period for the cotangent functions will always be the standard period for cotangent, which is pi, divided by the value of b, which in this case is pi over 3. And finally, the value of a is 2, and that will be my vertical stretch for the function. Before I start graphing the cotangent, I just want to keep in mind what the basic shape is going to look like. And the cotangent function has a vertical asymptote along the y-axis, and also over at pi, cotangent will start high and go low. Once I have this, I'll use the phase shift, pi over 6, to move whatever normally lives at x equals 0. That's a vertical asymptote. So I'll go to pi over 6, draw a vertical asymptote. This is pi over 6, and vertical asymptote will just be here. The next thing I need to do is to define my endpoints of my primary period. To do that, I will use the period of the function, and I'll note that the entire period for cotangent is to the right of x equals 0. So the entire period of the cotangent needs to be to the right of the phase shift. So I'll go pi over 3 units to the right. This is pi over 6, 2 pi over 6, 3 pi over 6. And it'll be useful to remember that pi over 3 is 2 pi over 6. So from here I'll go 1, 2 pi over 6 to the right to get to 3 pi over 6, or pi over 2. And that will be my other vertical asymptote. Once I'm there, I can start fitting the basic shape, which has an x-intercept halfway between the asymptotes, right here. From there, it's going to go down and follow that vertical asymptote down to the right, and follow this vertical asymptote up to the left. If I remember correctly, this was a distance of pi over 6. 1 pi over 6 plus pi over 6 is 2 pi over 6. So the x location for my x-intercept is pi over 3. Finally, I need to adjust for the vertical stretch, and I'll always do that halfway between my x-intercept and either of the vertical asymptotes. So I'll do that over here, and halfway between these, this y value will be equal to, in this case, 2. Normally it would be 1, but with a vertical stretch of 2, it'll get doubled. And finally, I need to find the coordinate here. To find the x-coordinate, I'll add up these two guys, divide by 2. It's halfway between these, so I need the average of the two values. Pi over 6 plus 2 pi over 6 is 3 pi over 6. Divided by 2 is 3 pi over 12, which will give a value of pi over 4.